Well, today in this video, right now, we're going to be showing you how to actually do it. Okay? Let's move on to the task. Okay, so there's a lot of steps in doing the muscle up, but we're going to be showing you two main ones that I think are really good when you perform the muscle up to help you the most. One of the first steps that you can do is a pull up. I'm not going to show you that because that's what you already know. Our first step is a high pull up, which is going to look like this. You're just going to go to a regular pull up from chest to bar, but I want you to try to go at least under your chest or to your abs. Let me see if I can do one. Maybe that was a good one. We'll never know. Okay?
Alright guys, second thingy-majig for progression in the muscle up is the pullover. You guys already saw that, so I'm just going to show you one quick example, and then if you wanted a more if you want a more in-depth tutorial, we'll leave a thingy down in the description, probably somewhere over there, right? Let me show you guys what a pullover looks like. It was a quick pullover. Pretty cool, right?
Okay, you just saw him do a pullover. We're also going to do one, but wait. There's a twist. You have to just stay on top of the bar, okay? Let me show you. Just like this. And what we're going to be doing now is a muscle down, which looks like this. Okay? I want you to go slow and steady, because it's good to go slow and steady. Okay? Just like this. Straight up here. Go down, controlled. And then that's it. Move on to our final.
Alright guys, so on to the last thing, which is actually the muscle up. On to the final muscle up.
Oh shoot, I dropped the freaking camera.
Alright, so I actually can't do the muscle up that great, so let's show you my form. It's usually and typically considered as chicken form. Chicken wing. Chicken wing.
Okay, my form just is strong a little bit better, just like this. Alright, let me show you guys what that looks like. Here we go. Guys, just kidding. I'm just kidding, okay? You know, it's just a little bit spooky, okay? Halloween time, you know, just like... My bad. Did I scare you? Comment down below if I scared you. Guys, I'm just kidding. Here's a real muscle up. Here we go. Kind of struggled, but it's still good form. Bye.